Chang? All right. Jessica Connor.
Present.
Bad laugh. It's a bad laugh. It's a bad laugh. Yeah.
Dear Father in heaven, bless this food you have given. We want to thank you from our hearts. Will you stay with us and be our honored guests? Amen.
Amen. How was school?
Hi.
English, please.
小梅 How was school?
就这样。
May
Was fine.
Excuse me, May? Hi. I'm Sylvia Newman. I do English tutoring here at the school. I know it's very sudden, but I was asked to see if you may be interested in taking a few sessions with me. Great. I'm looking forward to it.
So, I really enjoyed reading Life of Pi this summer. I loved how the author made the world seem really magical, even if all he really was doing was describing how difficult it was to cross the ocean over to America. So, yeah, that was my favorite book.
Great. Thank you, Liz. Let's hear it for Liz. All righty. Who's next? Don't all jump up at once now. Come on. How about you? You? Yeah. Favorite book?